check the contents of the box. Inside the box, we will find earphones, additional earbuds, charging cable, user manual and a warranty card. These lightweight and snuggly earbuds offer a powerful sound quality owing to the 8mm drivers. With the combination of both signature sound and the beast mode bass, we get a thumping real-time audio and a low latency experience. These Boat earbuds are equipped with IWS technology, which makes the pairing process super fast. The Insta Wake and Pair feature ensures that the buds are connected to the device as soon as you take them out. The buds are loaded with a built-in mic on each bud. Coupled with ENX environmental noise cancellation tech, it ensures a flawless experience during voice calls. These water and sweat-resistant earbuds have a powerful battery as well. Once fully charged, we will get access to non-stop music for up to 42 hours. Smooth touch signals allow you to control the music functions and summon the voice assistant. These earbuds are available in multiple color options such as bold black, cider cyan, pure white, active black, cyan cider and white purity. These Boat Airdopes 141 are apt for daily use and I'm quite impressed with them.